Los Lunas police officer resigned shortly after he accidentally shot off his gun in an office. Now, we told you about this incident last night.
Tonight, reporter Alyssa Munoz has details on his new role.
Well, Shelley, Doug, that same police officer joined the Albuquerque Public Schools as a resource officer, but new footage shows moments where some could say he was careless with his gun. Back in February, Sergeant Buster Whitley was an officer at the Los Lunas Police Department. Police footage shows moments where Whitley is seen walking around the hallway, pointing his gun around. Moments later, a shot goes off. Here, people are seen coming out into the hallway to check it out.
Sorry, that was me. You okay? Yeah, I thought it was out and I was practicing my.
Whitley had been with the department since 2012, but he resigned in March shortly after this incident. 2 weeks later, he found a job with the Albuquerque Public Schools. We asked the police chief at the Albuquerque Public Schools about Whitley, and in a statement he said, Officer Whitley shared the circumstances of his departure from the Los Lunas Police Department when he applied at APS. The National Association of School Resource Officers says each state has their own standards, but generally they choose officers who have worked at another department for a minimum of 3 years.
It's important for schools to have a carefully selected, specifically trained, and properly equipped SRO, not just a cop in the school, but truly a professional law enforcement officer who has been prepared to work in the school environment.
Highlighting how critical the job search is.
We're training these officers and hoping that they're responsible enough to be able to manage with the equipment that they're issued and that they're expected to know how to use. They have to be, going back to the training piece, they've got to be trained with all of that equipment.
Steve Gallegos shared more details about Officer Whitley. He called Whitley a knowledgeable and qualified firearms instructor, adding, I would feel comfortable and safe if my child were under Officer Whitley's supervision. Reporting in studio, I'm Alyssa Munoz, KWT Action 7 News.
Los Lunas police writing us saying that was incredibly disappointing and this behavior did not align with their values.